The summer sun casts a golden glow, a call to arms, a signal to go. With our gear in hand, we march towards the beach, or perhaps the pool, a destination within reach. Listen to the symphony of splashes, the water cool against our lashes. The air is filled with laughter and cheer as together we rule this aquatic sphere. Oh, how we swim in the deep blue, each stroke a testament, a dream coming true. We float, we dive beneath the vast azure sky, embraced by the water. We cannot deny how deeply, truly alive we feel as we surrender to the water's appeal. The diving board stands tall and high, a leap of faith, a chance to fly. With a joyous heart and courageous soul, we plunge into the water, surrendering control. We transform into mermaids and pirates, explorers of the deep, where the secrets of the ocean sleep. From the graceful butterfly to the steady backstroke, we glide through the water, our spirits stoked. With every powerful kick, we ride the waves, racing through ripples, it's the thrill we crave. Smiles etched on our faces, we embrace the grace that swimming places. And so we continue to swim, with all our might, in the waters of joy, bathed in sunlight. For in this pool of dreams, we discover our glee, swimming together, forever free. The joy of swimming, the freedom it brings, is a melody that forever sings.